Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss about non-operational quality attributes of embedded system from fourth module. Quality attributes. Quality attributes are the non-functional system requirement which need to be documented properly during the design of embedded system. The various quality attributes which are need to be addressed during the design of embedded system are classified into operational quality attributes and non-operational quality attributes. In this video we are going to discuss about non-operational quality attributes. These quality attributes are not related to operation or functioning of the embedded system, but these attributes are associated with the embedded system before it can put in the operation. There are 5 types of non-operational quality attributes. They are testability and debuggability, evaluability, portability, time to prototype and market, per unit and total cost. So we will discuss about all the non-operational quality attributes. First one is testability and debuggability. Testability deals with how easily one can test their design and application, and by which mean they can test their design and application. There are 2 types of testing, hardware testing and software testing. Hardware testing, this is to test the peripheral and entire hardware function of the system. Software testing, it's all about firmware testing. Next, debuggability, it means of debugging the product to figure out the probable source which causes the unexpected behavior in the total system. Here also we have 2 types, hardware level debugging and software level debugging. Next one, evaluability. Evaluability means how far the system is accepting the change. Evaluability refers to ease with which the embedded product can be modified to take advantage of new firmware and hardware technology. So this evaluability is all about updating the hardware, updating the embedded system with respect to the new hardware and firmware. Next one is portability. Portability is a measure of system independence. The embedded system can be called as portable if it can perform its operation in various environments, irrespective of different processors, controllers and different embedded operating systems. So once if the embedded system is portable, then it can operate with any kind of processor, any kind of controller or digital signal processor or ASIC or programmable logic devices. Fourth one is time to prototype and market. Time to market is a time elapsed between the formulation of the product and time at which the product is ready for selling or use. Product prototyping. Product prototyping, it helps in reducing the time to market. Prototyping means the informal kind of rapid product development in which the important features of the embedded system will be taken under consideration for the development. To reduce the time to prototype, we have to use all the possible options like use of reuse and off-the-shelf components, etc. Next one is per unit and total cost. According to the embedded systems, the cost is an important factor which needs to be carefully monitored. Proper market study and cost benefit analysis, these two must be carried out before taking decision on per unit and cost, total cost. You can see the graph here. This graph is plotted between revenue and sales time. Here we have 5 stages: product development stage, product introduction stage, growth stage, product maturity stage, then product retirement stage. You can see at the product introduction stage, the revenue and the sales time is very less. So during this time, these two will be very less only, and you can see during the maturity stage, the growth is steady, growth became steady, and the revenue is also reached the high point. And again you can see the retirement time. Retirement time, again there is a drop in sales volume. So this diagram shows the product sale and profit and unit cost of the embedded product. Okay. So in this video we have seen about non-operation quality attributes, which are testability and debuggability, evaluability, portability, time to prototype, and market per unit and total cost. Thank you.